Hey y'all, I have told y'all so many times how much I love hearing from y'all. And when you share recipes, it means so much to you and has meant so much to your family through the years. Well, I got a letter from Kara Sutton. She and her family, her husband is a pastor, and they were here for a meeting or some kind of little convention. And they came by car, so they had a cooler. They went to the chicken box there that's inside the Lady and Sons restaurant. And she filled up her cooler with every salad that she could find, had a picture made with Jamie. She sent me 2 cards.
I think she explored every nook and cranny of 102 West Congress Street.
Yeah. And that's wonderful to hear. And she was here, 24 hours?
I think so.
Were they here? I don't know.
Just overnight, I think.
Yeah. I wish I could read the whole letter to y'all because she is some more kind of sweet woman. And she told me to go to Proverbs 3:5-6, Psalm 103, Romans 15:13, and Philippines 4. So she is a God-fearing, hardworking woman. And she sent me, I think, 2 recipes. Was it, Eddie?
Yes.
And I can't wait to do this recipe. So I'm not going to tell y'all what it is. We're just going to do it one day. And she said that she wanted to share this recipe from her mama, Karen Phillips. She made this over 35 years, and she had gotten the recipe from the newspaper. But she said it's always a hit at all the parties. And you can imagine all the church socials that they go to. Well, all this letter came in a package, in a box. And I want y'all to see what Kara sent me. Look at this. She said the day that she watched my video, and I was ready to cry. Oops, because this was getting so old. And I just love it.
It has a little pinhole somewhere.
Yeah, it's got a little pinhole in it, and it's loose. And I just want to cry every time I look at it because I love that one so much. But Kara, this looks like it had never been used. And she said when she saw this, she decided that she was going to just search until she found one in good shape. And I mean, it's like it's never been used, but it has been used. You can see the nicks and knocks in it. But I can't tell you, Kara, how much that meant to me for you to take your time and your money and do something so special for me. I will treasure this. Every time I use it, I will think of Kara Sutton. So I'm going to share with everybody, Kara, the fruit dip recipe that belonged to your mama. So that's what I'm going to share. I wish I could read all this letter to y'all, but it would take too much time. But just trust me, she's a beautiful lady. And I thank her from the bottom of my heart for my new ladle. Because this one, I'm not getting rid of it, but it can be put to bed. In fact, I think I may frame it, put it in a shadow box, Eddie. All right. So the fruit dip that her mother made is 8 ounces of cream cheese. Come on. Come on. That gummit. This one is not wanting to let go. There we go. All right, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. This is going to be good. And y'all, 4 ingredients. Now, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. All right, so I'm just going to get my cream cheese broken down and creamy. And it calls for 2 sugars, a light brown sugar, and white sugar. And let's see, it's just real easy. It's 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3/4 a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar packed, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We love those easy recipes, Kara. Thank you so much. Okie doke. This looks so good. And you can so make this ahead of time. And it will hold. Now, Kara said that her mother used to serve this with apples. Any kind of fruit. Any kind of fruit she wanted. So this could stand to be a little bit softer, but we're going to go with it like it is. You know, there's some things that y'all have sent me over the years from friends that I've never met, and they have meant the world to me. And I've just gotten so many wonderful things over the years. Somebody took their time, gave me their time to do that. And look at this cup that was made for me. It says, "No butt shots, Eddie. Don't shoot my butt."
It was funny. We were sitting in the airport one time. And we had that cup with you, and this woman across from you was just looking at it, trying to figure out exactly what that meant.
Did she ask you?
No, but I could see, just from the look on her face.
Or trying to figure it out.
What does that even mean?
This dip is delicious, Kara. And somebody sent me an ice cream scoop. They had seen me struggling with some not so good ice cream scoops. This is the finest ice cream scoop I have ever held in my hand. And you put it in hot water, leave it in hot water, and those coals get hot in there, and that ice cream just slides right off. So that's just some of the things. But there's been so much. There's been so much over the years, and I can't thank y'all enough for your sweet actions towards me and my family. So, Kara, stay tuned, because your second recipe that you sent me is going to be in the near future. And thank you for being you. And I hope the next time you come back to Savannah that I get to meet you face to face. Love and best dishes to everybody.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.